Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox this Google Nest Thermostat. This was like $180 I purchased from Home Depot, and of course I qualified for $100 in bridge rebate. So I'm gonna install soon, and you will see a different video for that. Okay. Wow, it looks really smart. Okay. Backside we have two batteries, and this is gonna connect to the wires. Okay, just one layer down. Okay, we have the setup guide, and this is how it works is you see these wires. So these wires go into holes. Okay, so but basically what happens, and there's screw also, you see the markings here. So when you attach in the wall, you'll see wires. So those wires from the wall will attach to these, and then this will go on top of this. So it's a pretty simple configuration. They have also given me two screws. Okay, so overall it looks nice, and it's pretty simple to do. But yes, when you do this, make sure you have your electricity off in order to avoid any untoward incident. When I say electricity off, you don't have to bring the electricity of your whole house down, just furnace and your thermostat. And yes, yeah, after that, once you do, it's good idea to examine the flow of electricity using a tester pen. Okay, so that there is no risk of any electro short. So that is how it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.